Yes, welcome again to this section of our video, and in today's tutorial I'll be taking you guys on an animation that is being programmed using your web browser. So I'll be making use of my Chrome browser, and the site we'll be making use of today is called Renderforest.com. So head straight to your browser and search for Renderforest.com. Alright, so this is the website, and this is the first interface of the website. So all you need to do is to click on this agree button because the website uses cookies. Then click on get started. Now we have 4 things you can actually do on this website. We have the video, logo, markup, and website. Therefore, our today's training will be making use of the video because we are creating an animation. And the template we'll be making use of is this first template, which is the 3D video toolkit. This first one here, okay? Now we have other templates. We have solid logo review for logo animation. We have training explanation toolkit. This is another kind of animation. We have the whiteboard animation as well, okay? So you can use the method I'll be teaching you on how to program this very animation to also do this whiteboard animation as well. All you need to do is just to explore the website. There are a lot of things you can actually do on this website. So let's head straight to this template, which is the 3D explainer video toolkit. Click on create now. Alright, so I don't need them to guide me. You can either cancel it or you click no thanks. Now we have 3 scenes here. Add a scene, load a preset, and type your script. If you have a script already of a story you want to make use of, or probably an advert you want to create, you can just head over to type your script and paste your script that you have, and automatically scenes will be generated for you. Okay, but for me, I'm going to make use of other scene so that you can actually know how to navigate around the website when you want to add a scene. So just click on add your scene. Now under this cancel icon, there are 2 icons you can see there. If you tap on it, it will bring out a lot of characters for you: male, female, occupation characters, office animation, and so on and so forth. Okay, there are a lot of them. You also have text holder and video holder as well. Okay, so for our today's tutorial, I will be making use of some of these occupation characters, and let's say one of these background scenes. Okay, where is it? All right, background animation. So first of all, let me choose one of these office animation. Let me use a male character. Okay, I want to make use of this very scene. Now you can select as many scenes as possible, then insert it. Okay, it will be inserted accordingly, but you can decide to insert one after another. But for me, I want to insert, okay, for this very scene, let me make use of 2 different characters. Alright, so that's 3, and I'm going to insert. Now if you take a look at the top of your screen, you can see a pen icon, a 3 inverted bus icon, you can see a color chart, a music, and a play button. Now we'll be making use of those icons one after another. So currently we are on this pen icon, which is the edit, and we are going to add our what we want to type on this very scene, and this three button up here at the top of your scene will enable you to increase the duration of your scene, because each scene has different duration due to what you're typing. For this very one, it has just 5 seconds, and you can increase it by clicking on the pen icon and add more seconds to it. Okay, so I'm going to leave it where it was. Then underneath it, there's another 3 icon there. If you tap on it, you'll be able to duplicate your scene, replace your scene, or remove this very scene. So let's head over to type your text. Just tap on it. But first of all, I don't want to make use of that as my first scene. Okay, so this is the first scene. Underneath it here, you can see your scenes here. Okay, then this green icon, the plus icon, is used to add a new scene, which we'll be making use of shortly. So let me quickly type my text here. When you're done, just click on save and close. Okay, so that's that for my first scene. Then I'm going to proceed to the next one. Okay, so you click on save and close, leave it that way, and here let me paste the remaining part of the text. Alright, so using this plus icon, let's add one of those background characters, background scene rather. Okay, want to make use of, alright, let me make use of this. Alright, so let's proceed. Now you can do you can do more than 5 scenes, but you have a limitation of just 1 minute per video you are actually creating. Now when you are done with that, if what you're trying to create is like 2 minute or 3 minute videos, you can actually stop somewhere, then come back after saving that first part off. You come back and continue with your video that you're creating. Okay, there's no limit of videos you can create per day. You can create as much as possible. Okay, I will use this as my last scene. Alright, so I will use that as my last scene. All you need to do next is to click on this following icon, which is a 3 inverted bars at the blue part of your screen. we're already working on two things here, which is your look. This is on 3D look. You can put it on flat look, but let's leave it on 3D look. Then go to transition and choose the way you want your transition to look like. I'm going to make use of this. Let me use a 3D transition. Then move next to your color template, where you are able to change the background of your scene. Alright, let me make use of this. So you come to music, click on add music. Then you can choose from any of all these songs here, right? You can just click on the play icon to play. Then click on the plus icon to add the music. So our music has been added. Then go over to the play icon. Click on free preview. Now, being a first timer, it will ask you to sign in. Okay? Now, don't sign in putting in your email and password. Don't do that. Don't click on Facebook. Just click on this Google part. Sign in with Google. Click on it. Now, select the email that is signed in to your device. The email that is signed in your Google Play Store. Okay, select that very email. Don't choose an email that is not logged in your device. So this first email is my primary email that is logged in my device right here. So I'm going to click on that, and it will automatically log me in. Okay, I'll be logging automatically, as you can see. Then it's going to take you back to this free preview area. It might show you something like this. Just ignore and cancel. So you click on this free preview. Then you wait for your video to export. Okay, so the video is exporting, so let's just wait for it to export. Now you can use the same method that you used right here, programming this very animation, to also do your whiteboard animation. Okay, now if you are the type who is actually when you learn something new, you want to explore and do some other things, you can actually check out this very website, as there is a lot of things you can actually do right here in this website. Okay, I kid you not, there is a lot of things you can actually do. All you need to do is just take your time to explore. Alright, now the whiteboard animation is actually one of the best animation, because it's being used by a lot of firms, even companies and all that. So this 3D toolkit I'm explaining animation, the way you use in programming it is actually the same step you can make use of while programming your whiteboard animation as well. So our video has finished exporting and is actually ready to play. Now there's something missing right here. We don't have any icon to download this very video. All we have is just remove watermark, and if you click on that, it will want you to purchase or pay some amount of money, which you don't want to do. Okay, so in this very video, I'm still going to show you guys how to make use of the InShot app that you were asked to download. Alright, I will make use of an InShot app to how to cover your watermark. Now let's proceed. How do you download this very video? Come to this two horizontal line that you have right here at the top of your screen. Scroll down. This, I have a foxy face. Yours might carry a different avatar. Okay, but you will see your email name right there. So click on it and go to my videos. Alright, so this is the video we just finished creating, right? Now you can see the download button right here. Okay, so just tap on it and it will be downloaded right into your gallery. So my video is downloaded. Now let's head straight to our InShot app and cover our watermark. Alright, so here on our InShot, all you need to do is click on video, click new because it's actually a new video. Then select the video that you just created. It will be the first video. Then click on this green icon. Now here we have our video. All you need to do is click on this text icon. There's a lot of icons right here because this is actually an editing software. But click on this text icon. Go to click on capital letter I. Put your text, make sure it's in capital letter. Then click I. Okay. All you need to do is to expand. Okay. Use your 2 fingers to draw this, okay, and expand it. Now my write-up has a border on it, so I'm going to come down to color, click on border. This is text border. Then I'll click no, which is this white icon with a red stripe on it. Okay, that is no. Now I want to change this color. This is a black color. It's not good. It doesn't fit my background. So I want to use a color that fits my background. Go back to text. Then let's slide through this color chart to look for a color that will blend with my background. Okay. This can go. I think is the best so far I can see right here. So let me make use of this. Yeah. So all you need to do is to increase. Okay. Just use your finger, or you can use this icon right here. Hold on to it and drag it. Alright. Then rotate with your fingers and draw it down to where you have this icon created by Renderforest.com and place it right there. Now I have successfully covered our watermark. You can add other things to it, like your phone number on top of that. Click on this good icon to save. If I want to add a phone number, I will still click on text again, then type whatsoever I want to type and add it there. Okay, so let me just add my official line. And I want to change the color of my text again. Click on the color chart. Let me make use of white. Alright. You do the same thing. You rotate. But this time, I'm not going to increase. I'm going to decrease it and drag it down to this very box. Okay. So click on this good icon. Now I have my number on top of that very first edited box, or the letter I that I expanded. So all you need to do, if you leave your text that you have inserted just like this, if you click on play, you can see that at some point in time the watermark still comes up. So all you need to do is just highlight it, hold on to this angle at the end of it and drag it to the very end of your video. Okay, do the same for the other one and drag it to the end of your video. Alright, so we have our text and number from the beginning to the end of our video, right? So all we need to do is click on this good icon. Now our video is ready and good to go. So what we need to do is just to save our video. So come up to the save icon, click on save. You can add other things to your video if you want to, but for this I won't want to add anything. You can add a text. Click on this red icon here to add a text, a video or a photo. Alright, so you can add it at the end or you can add it at the beginning of it. So let me just save our video. You wait for your video to render and export, and it will save automatically to your gallery. So this is how you use the Renderforest to create a stunning animation you can use for advert or for presentation. And you can use the same method as well to also create your whiteboard animation. So this is all for this tutorial, guys, and I hope you actually learned something. Now if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, and most importantly, please hit the subscribe button and turn up the notification bell so that anytime we make an upload, you will definitely get a notification. See you guys in our next video.